Next topic is what makes an election democratic. Elections conduct in both democratic and non-democratic country, but what makes an election democratic or undemocratic, that depends on the principles of that country. Now one by one we will discuss. Number one, everyone should be able to choose their own representative, means ability to choose one person, one vote and one value. Okay, here we can take example of Saudi Arabia and Fiji. Earlier in past, in Saudi Arabia, women were not allowed to give vote, and in Fiji, the outsiders, their vote was considered half, and the habitant of that country, okay, natural habitant of that country, vote was considered one. So such type of discrimination was there, so it doesn't make election democratic. Such type of thing doesn't make election democratic, so we cannot say that elections are conducting democratically there. Now second is party and candidate should be free to contest elections. There should be something to choose from, free election and choice to the voters. Here we can take example of China. In China, Communist Party always win. It doesn't allow to win other party in the elections. Third, election must be held regular after every 5 years. Fourth, candidate preferred by the people should get elected. Means the candidate preferred by the people should get elected, not forcefully. In Mexico, what was happening? In Mexico, PRI party, they spend large sum of money in campaigning for its candidates, and they apply force to get vote. So such type of things should not be happen. Fifth is free and fair manners. Election should be conducted in free and fair manner. Next is topic is it good to have a political competition? Yes, it is good to have a political competition because it motivates political party to win and to work for country. It is a reward for serving and at the same time punishment for not performing the good duties. If the competition is there, naturally the political party, they try to do best work than other parties. But there are some demerits also because of this political competitions. So these demerits are, it creates a sense of disunity, factionalism. Factionalism means sometimes the politician, they use sensitive factors like caste, religion, which make it not good, which is not good for the country. Next, parties level allegation and use dirty tricks. Third, no long-term policy can be formulated by the politicians because they know, they are not sure that in next election they are going to win or not. So that's why they don't want to invest money for long-term policies. They invest for short-term policies only, or they try to make short-term policies only. Next is, good people who may wish to serve the country do not enter in this arena because they know that it is not a field for them. So that's why they don't like to enter in this areas in a politics. Okay, now assignment questions I had given in PDF. Do it, write it in your notebook and read first notes properly, okay, which I am sending you in a PDF form. Thank you.